None of the companions married for a dowry of less than 5 dirhams. The one who married for this minimum amount was Abdurrahman bin Auf, who gave gold equal to a date stone in weight, the value of which was 5 dirhams. Ibn al-Mundhir mentioned in Al-Ashraf that the Holy Prophet ﷺ married mother of believers Salama for a dowry equivalent to 10 dirhams worth of goods. In Al-Wadiha, it is stated that dowries of Prophet's wives were 500 dirhams. In Watiya ibn al-Athar, it is written as 400 dirhams. In Al-Nadir and some other books, it is mentioned that the Holy Prophet ﷺ married Habiba bint Abi Sufyan, and on the Prophet's behalf, Najashi gave 4,000 dirhams, and according to one narration, 400 gold dinars as dowry. Abu Dawud Al-Darqutni 3/236 and Al-Bayhaqi 7/232 have also narrated this. Ali was forbidden from marrying the daughter of Abu Jahl. In Sahih al-Bukhari, Abu Dawud and Al-Wadiha, it is narrated that Ali sent a proposal for marriage to the daughter of Abu Jahl bin Hisham. The Banu Hisham sought permission from the Holy Prophet ﷺ regarding this matter, but he ﷺ did not grant them permission. The Holy Prophet ﷺ came out from his house in a state of anger. He ﷺ went to the mosque and ascended the pulpit after praising Allah. He said, "The Banu Hisham bin al-Mughira have sought my permission to marry their daughter to Ali bin Abi Talib. Behold, I do not grant permission for this. However, if Ali wishes, he can divorce my daughter and marry his daughter. For my daughter is a part of me. That which worries her worries me, and that which harms her harms me. The daughter of Allah's Prophet and the daughter of Allah's enemy can never be joined together. I fear that Fatima might face a trial in her religion. I do not make the lawful unlawful, nor the unlawful lawful. But by Allah, the daughter of Allah's Messenger ﷺ and the daughter of Allah's enemy will never be gathered together in one house."